Garlic is frequently used as a seasoning in cooking, but it has also been utilized as a medicine throughout ancient and modern times, being used to prevent and treat a variety of ailments and diseases. Garlic's beneficial effects are due to a molecule called allicin. It contains minerals such as phosphorus, zinc, potassium, and magnesium. Garlic is also high in vitamins C, K, folate, niacin, and thiamine. Garlic not only adds a delicious zing to recipes of all kinds, but it also has some incredible health advantages. In this video we are going to talk about 10 amazing health benefits of garlic. Number 10. Garlic aids in immune system boosting. Your body's immunity is what stops you from being sick in the first place, and it also helps you combat sickness when necessary. Garlic boosts the immune system, which helps to avoid colds and the flu virus. Every year, children get 6 to 8 colds, while adults receive 2 to 4. Consuming raw garlic can help prevent coughs, fevers, and colds. The best approach to reap the benefits is to consume 2 chopped garlic cloves per day. Number 9. Garlic aids in the treatment of high blood pressure. Strokes and heart attacks are global health issues. High blood pressure causes heart disease. It causes 70% of strokes, heart attacks, and chronic heart failure. Hypertension causes 13.5% of deaths worldwide. As one of their major causes of death, high blood pressure must be addressed. Garlic is a great spice for people with hypertension. Even if you don't like garlic, garlic supplements can decrease blood pressure, manage fever, and more. Take enough supplements to equal 4 cloves of garlic every day. Before taking supplements, consult your doctor. Number 8. Garlic lowers cholesterol. Blood cholesterol is fatty. Bad LDL cholesterol and excellent HDL cholesterol. Too much LDL cholesterol and not enough HDL can be harmful. Garlic lowers total and LDL cholesterol 10 to 15%. Garlic doesn't affect HDL or good cholesterol. If you have heart disease or a family history of it, eat garlic. Number 7. Garlic can aid in cancer prevention. Garlic's health advantages do not stop there. So here's another reason why your body could benefit from consuming more of this onion relative. Consuming fresh garlic may help reduce the risk of colon cancer, according to studies. According to the Iowa Women's Health Study, women who ate garlic with other vegetables and fruits on a regular basis had a 35% decreased risk of developing colon cancer. Number 6. Garlic contains antibiotics. Allicin is found in garlic. Allicin is a bioactive antibiotic found in sliced, smashed, or diced cloves that can help fight illnesses and bacteria. Garlic extracts have been demonstrated to inhibit the growth of the following fungus elements. Elements of protozoa. Infections caused by viruses. Many microorganisms, such as Salmonella. Allicin is thought to be a potential antibiotic substitute. It also helps when combined with conventionally administered antibiotics. Number 5. Garlic may help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Garlic contains a lot of antioxidants, which help prevent oxidative damage in the body. These antioxidant qualities may aid in the prevention of some cognitive illnesses such as dementia and Alzheimer's. Take it with a pinch of garlic, though. Taking large amounts of garlic supplements, on the other hand, does not make you resistant to the condition. Garlic's therapeutic powers can only improve health to a certain extent. Number 4. Garlic has the potential to improve athletic performance. This ingredient was one of the first available performance boosters. Garlic was once used to relieve fatigue and increase laborers' working hours and endurance. It was also given to Greek Olympic competitors to help them perform better on the field. Garlic, as previously mentioned, can be beneficial. Levels of cholesterol. Reduce your blood pressure. Immune system booster. Shortens the duration of illness. A healthy heart and body are essential for staying active. Finally, consuming garlic helps to reduce, albeit subtly, how quickly you become tired when physically exerting yourself. Number 3. Garlic aids in body detoxification. Detoxification is the process of removing substances from the body that do not belong there. It is an essential component of excellent health and longevity. We are exposed to a wide variety of chemicals and substances on a daily basis while living in the modern world. Many of these substances are harmful to the body and should be avoided. Pesticides and chemicals used in agriculture are examples of contaminants in the environment, water, and food. Garlic is a potent detoxifier that stimulates the formation of glutathione by numerous liver enzymes. It also contains several bioactive selenium and sulfur compounds, which are significant detoxifying components. Number 2. Garlic may benefit bone health. There have been no human research on the impact of garlic on bone loss. However, rodent studies have indicated that it can reduce bone loss in females by raising estrogen levels. In one trial of menopausal women, a daily dose of dried garlic extract, equivalent to 2 grams of raw garlic, dramatically reduced an estrogen insufficiency marker. This implies that this supplement may be advantageous to women's bone health. Garlic and onions may potentially be effective in the treatment of osteoarthritis. Number 1. Garlic may help you live a longer life. Garlic's putative longevity benefits are virtually impossible to show in people. However, given the positive impacts on crucial risk variables such as blood pressure, it stands to reason that garlic could help you live longer. Its ability to combat infectious infections is also significant, as they are prevalent causes of death, particularly in the elderly or those with compromised immune systems. Thanks for watching this video. We wish you a good and healthy life. Subscribe to our channel and we promise to deliver you great content for a healthy life.